In 3, 2, 1. Put your loving hand down, baby, 'cause I'm begging. I'm begging, begging you, so put your loving hand down, baby. I'm begging, begging you, so put your loving hand out, darling. Riding high when I was king, I played hard and fast 'cause I had everything. I walked away, you want me then, but easy come and easy go, and it wouldn't. So anytime I need to let me go, yeah, into my feet you got me, no. Anytime I see you, let me know, but I planted the seed, just let me grow. I'm on my knees while I'm begging, 'cause I don't wanna lose you. Yeah, yeah, da 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 da. I'm begging, begging you, put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you, put your loving hand out, darling. I need you to understand. Tried so hard to be a man, the kind of man you want in the end. Only then can I begin to live again. An empty shell I used to be, the shadow of my life was hanging over me. A broken man, but I don't know, won't even stand the devil's dance to win my soul. What we doing, what we chasing, what about them, why the basement, why we got good shit and embrace it, why we feel the need to replace me. You on a runaway to attract the good, I wanna paint the picture, good to react, the hot and the trash you should, don't get away but you just gave it back. But I keep walking on, keep rocking down, keep walking forward, another chord is yours, keep browsing halls, 'cause I don't wanna live in a broken home, girl. I'm begging you, so put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you, so put your loving hand out, darling. I'm fighting hard to hold my own, just can't make it all alone. I'm holding on, I can't fall back, I'm just a con about to fade to black. I'm begging, begging you, so put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you, so put your loving hand out, darling. I'm begging, begging you, so put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you, so put your loving hand out, darling. We did it. That took 86 billion tries, so give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for watching this ukulele cover and play along video of Beggin on the good old uke. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube if you haven't already. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is that beautiful uke you're playing? It looks super amazing, high quality, and also really affordable and well under $100. Well, oddly, you're correct. This is the concert-sized Enya ukulele, model number EUC25D, and it is a concert size, and it is well under $100. I'll leave a link in the description below if you're looking for an affordable uke that comes with all the good stuff, the gig bags, the uke strap, tuner, all that capo, all that good stuff, and it's under 100 bucks. This is definitely your uke. Again, I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you so much to Enya for making such a beautiful uke. Also, links to all of my socials are linked down below in the description. They're just at Ricky Somborn. Also, links to the merch. Currently wearing the Uke Fam hoodie, which is the logo for this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and thank you so much for watching this TikTok video song thing. This song is blown up right now. I don't know if you can hear the rain outside. It sounds like somebody's peeing. Promise, nobody's peeing outside. But what was it saying? Yeah, let me know what other TikTok songs you want to hear on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.